Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
The F2 error on your Westinghouse dishwasher means the machine is having trouble draining water. This common problem usually happens because of a clog or a kink in the hose. First, turn off the power to your unit for safety. Open the door and remove the bottom rack to reach the filter. Take the filter out and rinse it under hot water to remove food particles. Next, look at the drain hose behind the machine. Make sure it is not pinched or twisted. A bent hose stops water from flowing out. You should also check the connection to your sink drain or garbage disposal. Sometimes food gets stuck where the hose meets the pipe. If those steps do not work, the drain pump might be blocked. You can find the pump behind the kick plate at the bottom. Carefully remove any debris like glass or seeds from the pump area. Reassemble everything and turn the power back on. Run a short cycle to see if the code cleared. If the F2 error stays on the screen, the drain pump might be broken and need a replacement. Most of the time, a simple cleaning fixes the issue. Keeping your filters clean will prevent this error in the future. Check your manual for specific parts if you need to order them. Most repairs only take a few minutes of your time. You do not need a professional plumber for these basic checks. Just follow these steps to get your dishes clean again. Your dishwasher should be back to normal now and ready to use for all your daily household chores.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.